Hello everyone, welcome to my class with Essay I Know. Our topic for today is sound k, k, k. First, our learning objectives. By the end of this lesson, learners will be able to describe sound k. Number two, learners will be able to correctly produce sound k. Number three, learners will be able to identify and correctly pronounce words containing silent k. So this sound is described as voiceless, velar, plosive. Voiceless, velar, plosive. So if you need more explanation on that, go and watch my videos on introduction to sounds of English 1 to 6. So we have different many spelling symbols, okay, representing this sound in words. So let's go. Letter K, as in king, kit, keep, kill, kiss, etc. Letter C. Letter C sounds K, okay? And don't forget, it is the first C that sounds K, not the second one, okay? So accident, accent, access, case, car, across, cat, catch, acre, cash, acme, count, exceed, function, etc. CC, as in accuse, a cause, a chord, account, etc. CH, as in chemistry, scheme, ache, psychic, etc. Letter Q, as in coin, liquor, quick, quack, mark, and so on. CK, as in sack, back, lack, pick, sick, peck, etc. Letter X, okay, there is sound K when you pronounce this word, okay? So, six, sex, anxious, axe, axis, axle, and many other words, okay? So let's look at the silent K. Knock, no, knob, knit, knife, night, and so on. So I hope you have learned a thing or two from today's class. So please don't forget to follow me, watch all my videos, and learn. Okay? Like, comment, and share. Thanks, and God bless you. Bye.